Welcome back to the Fusion Storm Whiteboard Series, where we turn traffic into growth. Today, we're diving into the number one SEO mistake that small and medium businesses make. And no, it's not keywords or backlinks. It's something way more important and way more common. The biggest SEO mistake? Doing SEO without a real strategy. I see it all the time. Blog posts written just to have content, targeting random keywords with no connection to buying intent, ranking for vanity terms that don't drive revenue. This isn't SEO, this is noise. SEO isn't about ranking, it's about revenue. Your goal isn't just to show up in search, it's to attract people who are ready to engage, buy, or inquire. Good SEO aligns your content, keywords, and site structure with actual user intent. That means understanding what your ideal customer is searching for, matching that with pages designed to convert. SEO without CRO is a dead end. You could be ranking number one, but if your site doesn't convert, it's worthless. That's why at Fusion Storm, we don't just do SEO, we build conversion-ready SEO strategies. We focus on traffic that converts, not just traffic that flatters your ego. Want to know if your SEO is helping or hurting your bottom line? Download our free SEO revenue audit checklist or book a call and we'll take a look under the hood. This is Fusion Storm, smart SEO for serious growth.